Hi, everybody. It's Christine here. I am the content lead here in Into Profits. And here in the agency, we do two things. First, we manage ads, and second, we optimize listings for six, seven figure business sellers on Amazon to improve their sales and their profits. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload brand story on Amazon Seller Central. It's super simple once you know where to go and what to do. So if you're just getting started or need a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. On the main dashboard, hover over Advertising, then click A Plus Content Manager. Now let's click Start Creating A Plus Content. Then select the option that says Brand Story. This layout appears as a scrollable banner at the top of your A Plus content section. Now you can enter a name for your brand story. This is just for internal use. Now you can add your brand story modules. Start with the brand carousel background. This is a wide banner that sets the tone of your story. Then you can add modules like brand logo, brand ASIN and text, or media and text, depending on how you want to structure your story. Just a quick tip, you can use this space to talk about your origins, what makes your products unique, and what your brand stands for. High quality visuals and concise messaging work the best. Once your brand story is built, we can now apply ASINs. Now let's click Next Apply ASINs. In here, you can add the products you want to associate this brand story with. This feature is great if you want the same brand message across multiple listings. In here, you have two options to view your brand story. So you have the mobile and the desktop version. Once you are done double-checking your layout, images, and text, click Submit for approval. Amazon will review your brand story, which usually takes up to 7 business days. Once approved, it will appear on your product detail pages. And that's a wrap. Super easy, right? So if this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more Amazon tips, and drop a comment below to let us know what tutorial you'd like to see next. And if you want us to take a look at your product listings, we're offering a free content audit for your account. Just reach out and we'll be happy to help. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.